Behind a split-rail fence and up a garden path, you'll find this charming, meticulously maintained home.
Hi everyone, welcome to 3 Savory Street in Newburyport. This wonderful home has a first-floor master, is adjacent to the river, and has a great open floor plan. Come on in and take a look.
Savory Street is a quiet street that ends at the bank of the Merrimack River with a walking path to the Newburyport Yacht Club. Close to the river, the sea breezes are refreshing and the southern exposure is just stunning. Enter through the foyer and you'll immediately notice the arched doorways with fluted pilasters, typical of the attention to detail throughout. Truly ahead of its time, the homeowners worked with the architect to achieve an open floor plan. The white-on-white kitchen has been updated with new appliances and quartzite counters, and it has a large Palladian window. The fireplace living room flows beautifully to a wonderful screened porch and deck. The first-level master bedroom is spacious and private with a spa-like bath. Upstairs, there are 2 more bedrooms, one which is oversized with river views that could double as a home office or a studio. This home is absolutely pristine. Newburyport, Massachusetts is a city with a long and rich history. A city where historic preservation has been a key to economic revitalization. A city whose foundation is based on maritime trade. And a city who values its historic sites. Annual events such as the Yankee Homecoming bring the entire town alive every summer. Boutiques, cafes, coffee shops, theaters, antique shops, bookstores, import shops, and food emporiums dot the landscape and the lively downtown area. All over town you can see shipyards, as well as the salt box and Victorian homes, federal mansions and colonial houses that are today's cherished homes. Visitors are drawn from all over New England and the world to this seaport rich in history and beauty. Numerous outdoor spaces and parks provide recreational opportunities in all seasons. from cross-country skiing and snowshoeing in the winter to horseback riding and biking trails. Nearby Plum Island provides amazing bird watching and miles of pristine beaches, as well as the Parker River National Wildlife Refuge. And best of all, it's just an hour train ride into Boston's North Station.
Thanks for taking the tour with me here this morning at 3 Savory Street. If you'd like to get a private showing, give me a call, 978-660-0967. It's Dolores Person with William Ravis Real Estate. Thanks so much, and enjoy the sunshine.